County, Karnes County, East Central Atascosa County, Southwestern Wilson County, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Falls City, or 12 miles southwest of Pope, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail.
In Austin, San Antonio issued a severe thunderstorm warning for in southwestern WXK67, Karnes County, East Central Atascosa County, Southwestern Wilson County, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time,
Fall City, Sestastella, Coy City, Tote, Fashing, Hobson, Eclito, Helena, Deweyville, Santa Maria, and Paulaville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Could be strong to severe with
Locations
local
impacted
heavy rain
include
leading to
Kennedy,
flash flooding
Karnes
this
City,
afternoon into the
Romney,
evening.
Fall City,
Main
Sestastella,
severe weather hazards
Coy
likely
City,
to be large
Tote,
hail and
Fashing,
damage.
Hobson, Eclito, Helena, Deweyville, Santa Maria, and Paulaville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.